Okay. I eat everything.
I forgot it all.
I eat what's left.
I'm in a very quick mood today. I apologize.
Sorry.
No, you. No, I just want to make sure you're
What's
gonna
supposed to happen? Okay, I'll take.
Way to mess it all up.
Babe.
My humor's not good.
Yeah, let me do something.
Would it be possible to take a slice of the road to class afterwards?
Are they here now?
No, they were supposed to be here at 3.
Ask them to leave at the front desk, like when they call, just.
Okay, so Lauren's gonna have a brief moment where she's gonna answer her phone, we apologize.
And then that'll be over.
So leave it at the front desk,
Okay,
right?
yes, and then we'll
Thanks, guys. Okay. Do we all know each other, what we taught, or should we do quick introductions? Let's quickly introduce. This is why Sam, do you know her?
I think I don't know you.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I didn't wanna be like, I don't know him. I wasn't gonna say that.
Yeah, so.
She know.
Hi, I'll start off. Hi, I'm YC, TIE program, and
I know
Hi, I'm
these kids.
Sam.
I know these people.
Sam F.
Delana, and
I'm Samantha, I taught 7th grade math. Lauren.
Lauren W.
maybe we should say our background.
Oh, yeah. I think that'd be beneficial. So you said 7th grade math. I did student teaching in Algebra 1 and pre-calculus and studied math.
I did student teaching in pre-calculus and calculus.
I've been teaching math for 6-7 years, high school math, so that's calculus, pre-calculus, algebra, everything.
I student taught Algebra 1 and geometry and was studying math in college.
I taught high school math for 6 years.
I thought you said you weren't certified.
I'm not, but I created my own student teaching internship so that I could do
I had no idea that you did that.
Ooh.
fall junior year.
Okay, we're just gonna go over our agenda. Yeah, I'll hand this up. Also, thank you for coming to this, super helpful, and hopefully you get something out of it. And we're gonna be running a protocol to look at the work together today. It just kind of helps structure the conversation and hopefully we'll get more out of it that way. As you can kind of tell, I'm gonna be the facilitator for the conversation and Samantha's going to present some work to us. It's actual student work that she assigned and then it was her students. And YC is also in our group, but he's just going to participate as another math person looking at work together. We're gonna go through, get started, set up some norms, and then we will be looking at the work together kind of silently for a little bit, and then we will start discussing, and there's gonna be several rounds of questions that we'll go through and focus on. Then Samantha will reflect on what she heard, and then we will all reflect on implications for our own teaching and learning. So it's not about trying to give Samantha recommendations for her teaching, it's more about what we're going to take after this shared experience together and after looking at this work, kind of what the implications are for us. And then we will debrief the protocol process as a whole, and then we'll be done after the reflection. So, some of the goals, I said this a little bit, but we really want to hold judgment at bay, and we're trying to just really see the work and really sit with it and try and understand where the learner is and understand how they see the world. We're not trying to problem solve. This is more about reflecting and finding questions. So, typical HGSE, we're going to set some norms, respect, and we really want to respect the work, the presenter, and each other. So it's helpful to maybe think about the fact that, or imagine that the student were sitting in here with us and you wouldn't want to say something that you wouldn't say in front of the student, just to be respectful of the work and also keeping in mind that Samantha's here and to be respectful of each other. No monopoly on expertise is kind of a weird one, but it's basically saying that we are all coming here and all of our input is valued. So don't hold yourself back from speaking, and also don't criticize others for speaking. Just really value what everyone's bringing, and share the air is just monitoring how much you speak. If you feel like you're hearing your voice a lot more than other people's, then maybe try and step back a little bit. Are there other norms that you all want to add to that list to make you feel more comfortable? Okay. Anything that you, YC or Samantha, want to add? Okay. Then I guess we will get started. So can you hand out?
Yeah, so I'm gonna hand out two things. One is gonna be the assignment and the other one is the student work, okay? So,
And she's not going to give any context or background information right now. We're just looking at the work.
You guys need a napkin for my questions. Thank you.
Yep.